To the person who hurt me, thank you for being a challenge because you unknowingly protected me from greater heartbreak. You tried to break my spirit, take away my joy, and strip me of everything I loved, including my family. But let me make it clear, you failed. You never reached the core of my heart. While you focused on tearing me down, I stayed vigilant, turning the pain into power. In the pits you threw me into, I found strength and learned the power of praise. God became my light in the darkness, guiding me to freedom from sorrow, shame, and unworthiness. Instead of being destroyed, I rose higher than you could imagine, places your demons could never follow. While you were lost in your own flaws, I tapped into courage, grace, and the kind of strength that leaves people in awe. Through the fire, I was refined like gold. The pain you caused became my greatest blessing, breaking the limits I once accepted. You didn't destroy me, you propelled me to something greater. Script credits to Amy F. McNeely.